y'all. Hope you're having a beautiful day. So this is like the 4th time redoing my craft space. I started in the spare room, which worked good. I'll link those videos below. And then I got my husband's old man cave, which was actually just like a cleaning closet at one point. And I just kind of put everything in here, and I thought it was great, but now I'm moving it. I'm going to put my desk underneath the pegboard, and then I'm going to put my Cricut underneath my shelf where the desk currently is. What a mess, right? I hope you're having a beautiful day. Tell me what you like. I got this desk on Amazon, and it was a corner desk. So I took the top off of it, and I just have a big piece of plywood that works perfectly. And now, instead of just a small corner desk, I have a nice large work area. I'll link that video below too. Yeah, I really think, I don't know what I was thinking to begin with. Of course, the desk should go under the pegboard. I'm really excited. I can't wait to get crafting tomorrow. Normally, I would have crafted tonight, but I just had this vision in my head. Do you ever get that? You just have to do it, or you can't do the next thing. Just a regular piece of plywood, painted. Now also splotched in paint, where obviously I didn't do a good job of protecting my surface, but it's plywood and an old desk that I repurposed into a new one. I just set the top on, and the backs, they have that cardboard, so I just use that and screw the backs of the bookshelves into the edges of my tabletop with the hook and eye screws that I'm going to use to hang mats, other things that I'm working on or need. I love these little hooks. I had extra plywood and just cut it so that it made like a riser for the back of my desk. I like keeping all my glues together, my Mod Podges together. What do you use to protect your desk? Obviously, I don't do the best job at protecting mine. I'll give it a good coat of paint here, probably in the spring. I just have one of these rotary cutting mats, but I flip it over. Nice, clean, shiny backside, and I can clean everything off it so easy. Quick tip, if it doesn't meet your needs, make it. I use an old TV stand for my Cricuts to sit on, and TV stands aren't tall enough, so I use 2 cinder blocks and they make it the perfect height. Okay, y'all, leave me a comment, like the video, subscribe. I hope you have a beautiful day.